Morning guys. Muli ni akong kuno every morning routine. Maghuli rosary ko. Magtanaw ko sa kuwan. Rosary ko ba every morning. Magbasa po ko aring kuwan. Kanang every morning magbasa ko Old Testament nga kuwan. Sa lagod ko verse. Mayon na siya galit nga. Sa Old Testament ni guys. You know, praise the Lord, to the Lord, for He is good. His love endures forever. Who can proclaim the might of the Lord and fully declare His praise? Blessed and those who are act justly, who always do what is right. Remember me, Lord, when we show favor for your people. Come to my aid when you save them, that I may enjoy the prophecy of the chosen one, that I was share in joy of your motion, and join in inheritance and giving praise. Ye have sins ever as an ancestors dead. We have done wrong and act wickedly. When our ancestors were Egypt, they give no thought to your miracle, that did not remember your many kindness, and they rebelled the sea of Red Sea. Yet they saved for her name and seek to make mighty power known. He rebuked the Red Sea and it's dried up. He led them and through a desert, and saved them from the hand of the foe, from the hand of enemy. Redeemed them, and water covered them adversaries. Not one that them survive, that they believe his promise and say his praise. But they soon forget and had done and did not want for his plan unfold. In the deserts they give into the craving, to the wilderness that put God to the test. So he gave them want and asked for, but sends a waste this among them. In the camp they crow and bold of Moses, and the Aaron wood was a concentrate for the Lord. And the earth opened up and swallowed Dathan is bored, the company of Abraham. Fire blazed among their followers, and blame assumed the wicked and horrible that made Horeb day. They made a call, worship idol cast from metal, and they exchanged the glories of God, an image that